Here at Sunland Village, putting up some Rainier outdoor shades. I'll show you, got an all button. They both go down at the same time. With these blinds, we can also do them individually. And you can stop them if you'd like. Halfway, match them. You block out the sun real good for you. This particular customer went with just plugs. He ran some, she's doing the electrical now. Just ran some plugs. We were able to bring the plugs right out the back and plug them in. As you can see, if we put them down, how much it'll block. And that's it.